Yeah, so I don't know, it kind of really itches. I hope the cream they gave me over here. Oh, we're live? Oh, hey everybody, it's Logan. We're in the shop today, and it is Friday, what, third week of January, second week of January, something like that. And there is nobody here. So we have two different cameras going on now. We have Facebook Live here with Becky, and we have Cray on our camera that we'll upload to YouTube. We're still working on the YouTube Live upload, trying to get it to upload a little bit higher quality video. So we'll do two videos today, one for Facebook Live and one we'll upload to YouTube. So over here in my corner of the shop, I have been working on this sleigh bed the last couple weeks. If you guys have watched, you have probably seen it. So I got to the point last weekend where I got it together with the bed hardware installed, so I can stand it up and see what it looks like. And I sent a picture to my wife, expecting, oh, that looks great. And I got, well, it looks like a bed. So I don't know what to make of that. So we'll see once I can finish, hopefully getting it sanded and finished this weekend, I'm hoping, so I can get it into the house, which would be cool, get rid of my IKEA bed. So, which is rather embarrassing to say. So we're gonna kind of walk around to everybody's bench and snoop, and we'll see what they have. So over here, it looks like Chris doesn't have much going on aside from a small shipping and receiving department. But I did see Steve working on this guy over the last couple days, and I think he was actually starting this when we were here last week. So this is a stained glass window that he was working on for what is going to be our, I believe it's going to go in our Craftsman style entry door. We'll be making 3 entry doors, and Craftsman style will be one of them. So I believe this may be going in that one, maybe going in a Victorian style. Not 100% sure, but it looks really cool. So, and it's the first time that Steve has ever done stained glass according to him, which is kind of impressive.
Yeah, that looks really good.
So. Let's go ahead and wander over and so you can see what Dylan has going on. Dylan, over this week, I guess let's hit Mark and Dylan's bench, because Dylan was working on that Tanzu cabinet that Mark has been working on. So over the last week, Dylan has been working on the finish on this Tanzu cabinet. Dylan was the designer on this cabinet, and Mark is building it. Mark is out on vacation, I think having tropical drinks somewhere. So Dylan was trying to get this done before he left, and it looks really good. There's a lot of work that goes into this finish. It's kind of a distressed, I don't know if it's a traditional type finish, but it has a base layer of black, then it's lacquered, then red, lacquered, and then it's sanded through and lacquered again to kind of give it a distressed look. So it looks really cool. I'm excited to see it completely finished. So let's go ahead and head over to Dennis's bench. I see he has a cuckoo clock that looks like it's starting to be almost finished. He has here 2 different cuckoo clock cases, one of which was a small plywood, I believe, prototype, and then the walnut plywood, I'm assuming is going to be the final piece. We're not 100% sure on that. But he has the, I don't know if I can get the top off there. He does have the interior mechanism in there for the clock. And Dennis, if you watch this, I don't know who got the dust all over these. And then there is our little itty bitty bird on the front side. So that'll be kind of fun once that's done. Clocks are something that I personally enjoy building. It's kind of one of my favorite things to build. So I think that's all I have. Like I said, it's a pretty empty shop today. We are preparing for Snowmageddon, supposedly. So we're supposed to be getting a lot of snow this afternoon. So some people have to take off and get kids that were getting out early. I know Phil was just out on vacation. So thanks for checking in. Actually, one thing I did want to mention, those of you guys that were able to make it to our seminar, Woodsmith Live seminar yesterday on hand planes, thank you very much. It was a fun seminar to do, and we had a lot of good questions, a lot of good response. If you guys are interested, we have another one coming up. I believe it is February 22nd. I might be wrong on the date, but double check. It's woodsmithshop.com/seminars, and Phil will be presenting there with his favorite jigs. So we'll see what Phil's favorite jigs are. I hope one of them is a dance, but we'll see. So thanks for checking in.